You almost have to normalize, this is the first time I've ever used that word, you have to normalize ridiculing people for complaining about the prices of beef. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering. Today, I want to talk about prices of food and things that people tend to complain about when it comes to prices of food, and more interestingly, things people don't complain about. So this video hit my inbox and I really just had to react to it. So check this out.
We have our priorities all effed up. We have a problem paying $6 or $7 a pound for ground beef, but let me show you what we don't have a problem paying for.
Yeah, it's true. Like, there is junk food that is 3-4 times the cost of ground beef per pound. So when people complain about the per pound cost of meat, especially ground beef, which is sort of the cheapest option, man, it's ludicrous. Like, if you're eating any of that stuff or paying for any of that stuff and complaining about it, you're like a double fool, because you shouldn't be eating that. Absolutely no nutritional value, and you're paying multiples of what actual healthy food would cost, and then you're complaining about the cost of healthy food. So, like, you gotta, you almost have to normalize, this is the first time I've ever used that word, you have to normalize ridiculing people for complaining about the prices of beef. Like, it's stupid, it's wrong. Yeah, don't let people get away with just continuing to hammer this misinformation. So ridiculous. Hope this helps. If you want to argue with me about the prices of food, I'm sure there's gonna be some great comments on this one. Please comment. And if you want to complain about the price of meat, I will definitely make fun of you. See you on the next one.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm gonna put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're gonna help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.